Hi, would you know how many processes are there in your manufacturing company? All processes put together may be in the high hundreds or even in the thousands. And most of them are dynamically changing, the processes change. And many of them are paper-based. So why don't production companies automate these processes? I'm Mohan, and I will talk you through some of the reasons why the production companies don't automate all their processes. Most manufacturing companies have got the best-in-breed systems for ERP, for production planning, for CAD/CAM. They don't have a single system for everything because systems change, the processes change, and the data required by the systems change. So it's always a constant battle to keep all these processes running together. Most collaboration in production companies are just nothing but workflows. So either a system triggers a workflow or somebody inputs a form or a customer order comes in. So in spite of the best efforts and even a large team of programmers, it's very difficult to change some process which affects another system and then manage the integration. So what we need is a system, a workflow system, which integrates all of this and which can be so easily changed, maybe even by the end users themselves. So what is required is a way of simply defining these processes either by a few set of programmers very quickly or by the end users themselves. A low-code, no-code platform and a citizen developer platform will help in this reduction of cycle time greatly. It combines the best of both worlds of a secure system and also a citizen developer to give great benefits in your digital transformation journey.